All right, this is a tutorial on developing different splits or schedules within one program, or at least from one program. So in Trainerize, when you import or you have a master program, you can, of course, put those workouts onto a schedule. So like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or days 1, 3, and 5, et cetera, et cetera. However, if you have, multiple splits, for example, one client doing this program, we want them to focus on, this type of workout, and they need to be on the schedule. Or there you have another client that has a different kind of schedule, but the same set of workouts. This is how we're going to have different splits based on the same program. And what we're going to do is we're going to essentially, the steps are to duplicate the program and then make individual schedules for each. And then we'll just rename each program based on the split. So I have this program. This is Bikini and Wellness. This is from this PDF that I copied for a trainer. You can see that there was one program with about 11 workouts, but there are 4 different splits. We have a bikini standard development needs split, a glute specific split, a wellness standard development, and a quad specific. So what I'm going to do is I will create 4 different items for these 4 different programs here. So this first program, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this one. And this will be the glute specific. So the first one that I'm duplicating now, that'll be like standard development, but this will be glute specific. All right, duplicate. All right, and now I am in the glute specific program here. I'm going to go into weeks 1 through 4. Now I just did a 4-week phase. Of course, the client can duplicate this and make it longer or whatever they want. Now, day 1, and I'm looking at this part here. So we're just starting with glute specific. Day 1 is going to be lower glutes focused. So let's find lower glutes focused here. Now, there are 2 ways to schedule items on the calendar. I'm just going to do it this way since I only have to click 4 times. I do have a video on the other way to do it, which is great if you have longer phases. All right, day 2 is going to be upper. So, and this is now organized by alphabetically. So upper, so that's going to be on day 2 or Tuesday and all the Tuesdays of that week. Day 3, we're resting. Day 4 is mixed lower with glute isolation. This is a glute specific program. Mixed lower glute isolation, and this was going to be on day 4 and all day 4s of the week. All right, and day 6, which will be our Saturday, that's going to be a glute bias posterior chain day. Awesome. And then off on Sunday, or that 7th day, and then we repeat the split. So there's nothing else to do. Now, if I go to calendar, we can now see that for bikini and wellness glute specific, we have these 1, 2, 3, 4 workouts during the week as prescribed in the program. And that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to repeat the original because now if I duplicate the bikini or the glute specific, it's going to have the schedule. So I'm just going to duplicate the original that's unscheduled. Duplicate that, and this is going to be called Wellness Standard Development. Yes, and of course the client can rename it as they see fit. The personal trainer can rename it as he sees fit. All right, and we'll see that same thing, and we apply the same thing to this program and any other splits that the trainer has.